Hey everyone, I'm the dev for Ambiance Architect, bringing out a new update. It's the community library. The community library is a way to share your work with others and download the work of others. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the community tab in settings. You can opt out, so to see the community library, the system has to ping other systems. If you're not comfortable with that, just turn it off. Other than that, put in a display name. You automatically get a public ID that is generated for you, and there's a secret ID. The combination of these two identify you as a specific creator, and that way your work can be credited. You can manage your work, and if you want, you can export this and import it, and that way you can maintain ownership of your work across multiple PCs or systems. Now let's look at the library. This is what it currently looks like. There's a nice little search bar up here. There's all items, which is basically everything in the library, what you've downloaded, and what you've uploaded. Then there are zones, same tab structure, and playlists. Each one, as you can see, has their own search functions. Playlists and zones are more musically inclined, and scenes are more full system and have a style. If you click on it, you see a detail page here. Links are clickable, open up outside of your system. If you hold on it, it'll show the full link. The rating is the average of all the ratings. If you've downloaded something, it'll be in my downloads, and you can remove it from that list. If you see inappropriate content or whatever, you can report it. The system also remembers if you've downloaded something before. That way, you can't inflate the amount of downloads. Let's re-import this one first. So you can see I deleted all the sounds from my library. The system can tell that they are missing. We download and we fix, just like when importing before. This, of course, only works for free sound effects. And you still have to, if you want images, you still have to go to the place where you can download it. Then we downloaded, we will remove from the downloads list, which means it's not here, it's still here. Let's say this was the emitter that had an issue with it. I don't like it. We get rid of it. Now I want to publish this. And as you can see, I downloaded someone else's work, I made changes, and it is a remix. If I make normal, it will the system will automatically say, hey, publish this as remix, but you can also publish it as new. You can add tags, you can select the system it's supposed to be for. Let's put this on system agnostic. We publish it as a remix. It'll be uploaded. And you can see here it gets this little branch icon. And you can see now that it's been uploaded by tester, but if you go to the original, you can see it was uploaded by me. This works the same for zones and for playlists as well. If you want to do this for a zone, you can have the save as template, save and publish. So this is the emitter demo going on. Test publish. Now I can't type. And let's see, fancy theater remind. Sure, whatever, man. So there's a limit to the characters in a tag, but it will be saved. Whatever. We publish it. Let's say OK. And now we can see this emitter demo. Currently, I've done this before, but it's different. I publish it as new. This is a different emitter demo, because if I were to publish this again, we either update the existing, because I've published this before. I can publish it as a new one, or I can publish it as a remix. You can update your own work. Others' work you can either publish as new or remix. Let's see, if we go to the community zones library, we'll take this one. It has a file, flap. It is now downloaded. And if we go to the zone library in the top left, we can click use here. We click, bam. Zones can be published from here, and playlists are made with multiple sounds in them, and then we can publish them to the community here. Or if you have a randomized emitter with multiple tracks in it, you can save and publish here as well. Other than that, I've expanded the importer and the exporter. Now, if you've made your own scene, you can export it with the entire folder, and it will take all the audio used in that scene, and the images, by the way, and put them in a folder. And if you want to move to a new PC or to a new laptop, and you only want one specific scene, that's what this is for. So you don't have to manually pick out all the different songs or take your entire audio folder and move it to a new PC, which is a hassle.